that you have all three green ons, which means that you're both collecting and uploading weather and ozone data, we need to check to verify that we are in fact uploading data. So open an Internet Explorer window and go to the Go3 homepage, which is where I'm at right now. Hover over the Ozone tab and click on Google Earth Overlay. This is how we'll download and display the Google Earth file that will give us all the data from all the Go3 sites. So you want to make sure that today's date is selected. And if it's not, go to the calendar and select today's date. And then select current because we want to see the most recent data that we uploaded to make sure that we are in fact uploading data. So if you click on Get Go3, that gets all the student collected data. And Get Air Now gets all the EPA's data for the United States. So since I want to look at my data, I'm going to look at Get Go3. This brings up a window which it will begin a download of a Google Earth file for you to view your data. So of course you'll have to have Google Earth installed on your computer in order to look at this file. The laptop that we send you has Google Earth already installed on it, but if you want to look at this data from your home or work computer, you want to make sure that you have Google Earth installed before you do this. So if you don't, you can just go to earth.google.com and follow the instructions to download Google Earth. So once the file is ready, it is going to prompt you to either open or save it. I just want to open it. And this is all the Go3 data for the world. So you can see a mixture of flags and columns. The flags are schools that are not uploading data currently. And the columns, height and color, corresponds to the current ozone concentration at a certain location. So I want to look for my location, which I know that I'm uploading data to Trinidad's account right now. So I will look for Trinidad and I see a column and I see a number. And when I click on the column, I see that I've last uploaded data at 10:26 a.m. And that, since that corresponds with my current time, I know that that is my last uploaded point just a couple minutes ago. So I am successfully uploading data. Now on the left bar here, you'll see a list of all the countries that we have Go3 sites in. So to peruse the sites around the world, you can look around in this left-hand window here. All right, so now that I've confirmed that I'm uploading data, I'm going to go ahead and close this file, and I'm going to discard it because I don't want to save this file to my Google Earth program. So I'm just going to click discard. And then I want to look at my data in another way as well, and that's going to be in a graph. So I'm going to go to the Ozone tab again and click on Graph Go3 data this time. By clicking on Show Available Schools table, we'll get all the schools that are currently uploading data in the Go3 network. So that means that you can view and download data from any school in the world in the Go3 network. I know that I'm uploading data to Trinidad's account, so I'm going to select Trinidad and click Next. I'm going to select a start date of today because I just started uploading data just now, and an end date of today. And I can either select graph, list, or Excel file, which will download an Excel file. I want to look at an online graph, so I'm going to select graph and next. This confirms my selections. And yeah, I want to graph ozone and temperature because I'd like to make sure that both are working, ozone data and temperature data. And I'm going to select a line plot. All right, so the blue is my ozone data and the red is my temperature data. It's looking a little bit crazy right now because I've just started uploading data today for the first time. But as you get a couple days or a couple weeks of data, this will you'll begin to see a clear trend. So this means that I am successfully uploading ozone and weather data to the Go3 network, and I am ready to go. So happy uploading!